All right, cellos. So this should be I should have listening Justice and Janaea, my cello players. Here is the page from the packet that I sent you in the mail. If for some reason you didn't get it or you've lost track of it, you can look on this video. And if you need another paper copy of it, please let me know through Dojo or a message in this seesaw lesson, and I can send it to you, okay? Make sure that you ask, though, because I can't help you unless you ask. So I'm just going to go over what is on this page here. So please continue watching this video, and you can look on your own paper and make sure that you have a pencil, because I'm going to be giving you some information to write down, like the letter names of the notes to help you play this on your cello. So first of all, we have eighth notes. Here's a little review of eighth notes. Each eighth note gets half a beat. So 2 eighth notes together equal 1 beat. We count them 1 and, or sometimes I use the TT symbol. So here we have 1 and 2 and. See how it fits into the quarter notes? T, 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 T. 2 sounds for every ta, ta. 2 or more eighth notes have a beam that connects them across the stems. So here we have the rhythm. Ooh, I just made it blue. Okay. Here we have the rhythm T, 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 or 1 and 2 and. And over here is just showing how when they're beamed together, it's still the same thing. They're just beamed together in groups of 4. T, 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 1 and 2 and. So for our eighth note rhythms in this lesson, we're going to see a lot of them in groups of 4. Moving on down to the rhythm rap. This is a song to practice your bowing. So you can get your bow and your rosin, and this is just going to be kind of air bowing, but you can use your rosin, going back and forth on the rosin. Shadow bowing. We did this in our lessons before, so hopefully you remember that. So here we're just going to practice playing some eighth note patterns. And what we have here is the bowing. What am I thinking of? Bow markings. That's what it's called. So this one right here that actually kind of looks like a paired eighth notes or like a square, part of a square. This one is to go to you take your frog and you're moving across your cello to the right. So I'll move my mouse like this direction. And then the little V is going to the left. So our right, left, right, left. The way we naturally play with the bow is just to go back and forth, but this is important to know what these markings mean. So, first of all, the rhythm of this rhythm rap goes T, 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 ta, ta, T, T. Sorry. Let's try it right here. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta, rest. With the counting, the numbers, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. And then you just start with your down bow to the right, and then your up bow, going down, up, 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 down, rest. Now with the next song, 67, Pepperoni Pizza matches the words, pepperoni pizza, match the rhythm. You'll also notice that when we've done in music class before, pepperoni pizza, or I'm sorry, not pepperoni pizza, that's what this one is. Peanut butter jelly is the one I'm thinking of. Also fits in the same way. Sorry, I am looking for something on my desk that, of course, oh, there it is behind me. Okay, so a little review with the pitches, the letter names that we play, the notes. I am going to go over what the letters are for this one because now we are on the staff on the bass clef where the cello reads. And I want to review what these are. So it starts on our high D. If you want to get your pencil and write these down, I would suggest doing that right now. If it's not labeled on your music. Honestly, I can't remember if I labeled the music that I sent to you or not. So here is a little help out if you need it. When we are above the staff, that's what these 5 lines are, on one line, this is our high D. So A string, 4. Okay? So we have D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, to your 3. Then we have, oh, sorry, my phone is going off. Hopefully you're with me here on B. B, 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 A, A. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, E, 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 D, rest. So it's like ascending or going down the scale. All right, you can pause the video at any time and practice that, or you just watch the whole video now and practice it later, whatever you want to do that works for you. But I'm going to keep going ahead to number 68, rhythm rap. So now we're counting 8th notes, but they are just in groups of 2 or paired 8th notes. And we also have our bowing. This is a shadow bowing exercise. So with your bow against your rosin, you're going to play 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, rest. Adding the bowing markings, we have down, up, 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 rest. Number 69, the D major scale going up. So this is starting on low Do, D, open D. And we have, I'm just going to go over the letters first because I think you've got the rhythm of it by now. But I'll also go over that. First is the letters. So we have D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, 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 A, B, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D. Rest. Ta, T, T, 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 ta, rest. Tempo is the speed of the beat. So this is a good spot for me to remind you that if I'm saying these songs too fast for you to play them right now, to play them yet, that's fine. I'm just saying it at a faster tempo. When you practice, your tempo or your speed of the beat can go as fast or as slow as is comfortable for you while you're practicing. And these are just the musical words. Allegro is a fast tempo. Moderato, medium tempo. And andante is a slower walking tempo. When you're practicing, you have a choice of practicing however fast or slow is good for you. Now the last 2 things that I want to go over with you are 2 songs. So now we're adding rhythms, melodies, bowing, and sounding pretty in a song of Hot Cross Buns. Hot Cross Buns starts on the note F sharp. How do I know that? Well, I know that on this line, right before the top here, second to top line, remember the staff is like a ladder, is my F sharp. And we are also starting with a down bow. So I'm going to go through with the letters if you want to write in the letter pitches. We have F sharp, E, D, rest. F sharp, E, D, rest. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D, rest. And I'm sure this one sounds familiar. when I sing it, because I don't have a cello, unfortunately, to play for you, but we have F sharp, E, D, rest. F sharp, E, D, rest. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D, rest. And the repeat sign means to do it again, but of course when you're practicing you can repeat as many times as you want. Play it at least 2 or 3 times every time you're practicing it though. Alright, hopefully that gives you a good idea about that song. And the last song that I want to go over here is number 71, Au clair de la lune, which is a French folk song that means by the light of the moon in French. So we are starting with a group of 4 8 notes. So we have T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 ta, rest. T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 ta, rest. And the letter pitch names are D, 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 E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, E, D, rest. And the neat thing about this song is these first 2 measures that I just went over, here repeat in the 3rd and 4th measure. So this is the same thing repeated. D, 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 E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, E, D, rest. Alright, so hopefully what I've gone over here has helped you. You can pause or fast forward or go back to any parts of the video to help you in your practicing. But just make sure that you click on the the add response for the Cello lesson so that I know that you watched this video and gave it a try on your cello. Alright, thanks guys.